Hello friends, welcome to this new video. In this video, I am going to review my Keychron K2 V2 keyboard. I have been using this keyboard from last 15 days and I am very much satisfied buying this keyboard. So here are the features. So if you see this keyboard is very bulky. If you see, this is very bulky keyboard, and after 3-4 days of using this keyboard, I planned to purchase a palm rest because the height was very long. So this height of the keyboard was very long. I was using some other keyboard earlier, Logitech K380, which is a very low profile keyboard, but this keyboard was very high. Okay, so for that I purchased another palm rest, and this I bought from Amazon. I will give the link in the description. So using this palm rest, it was very easy to type. And let me show you the ASMR, the sound of this keyboard. So if you see, if you hear, the sound is very pleasant. And this is a brown switch keyboard. I preferred brown because being a programmer, I don't want too much clicky. And in the same way, I don't want a very silent keyboard. I'm not a programmer, so the better one was brown switch. And overall, if you see the keys are the letters are printed very well. The color is very nice. The gray, dark gray combination, that this orange cap, and I got some extra caps also for the Mac OS. Currently, I'm using Windows, so I have changed these keys to the Windows keys, like window key. We have this Alt key, like that. So overall, I'm very much satisfied. You can see the keyboard speed in my channel. So the speed of my typing speed has also been increased. It will take couple of days for your hands to be used to this keyboard, but once you are used to it and you have this palm rest, depending on like your need, you can have a palm rest or you might not need a palm rest. Okay, but for me it was a little it give you easy, and it cost around 500 or 600 bucks only for getting this palm rest. So I think this you should get this palm rest also. Yeah. So let me show you how the rainbow light works here. So for the rainbow light to open, you have to press function and then this key, okay, light key. So if I press function light, the light will start. Let me switch off the light. And now you can easily understand. So this is basically a rainbow effect. You can see the rainbow effects are moving. To change the effect, I can click on this light key. So this is the new one. Next one. So here you have to, whenever you press something, the light will blow up. So very nice. This one is nice, this one. So if you see, there are more around 15 effects in this keyboard, lighting effects. So these are very, very nice actually. So overall, this keyboard cost me around 8,000, 8,100, or you can get it from the Keychron India website if you're if you have to purchase from India. And do not buy it from Amazon because the costs are very high. You can easily get around 8 or 8,500. Now there are a couple of low profile keys also, but depending on your budget, you can go for them. But if you get this keyboard with this palm rest, I think this is more than sufficient for next 2 to 3 or even 5 years. This keyboard is very sturdy, and I hope this is all clear to you, like how it will perform. There are a couple of buttons over on the left side also, but these things you might have already seen in other videos might be. So probably I'm not going to cover these things, but this keyboard is like, can be used in Mac or Windows. And I'm very much satisfied spending my 8,500 on this. I'm happy. And I would encourage you, if you have this budget, you should also try this Keychron keyboard. So I will meet you in the next video with some other, might be some keyboard typing speed or ASMR. But if you have any question related to this Keychron K2 V2 keyboard, let me know in the comments. I will be happy to answer your queries. So let's meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.